Okay, here's an example of a Powerball for Powerball 1228, a matrix that I make. Okay, we need 6, 31, 51, 54, 55, and 12. I've colored in the circles, the zeros. They're easily seen. Okay, and I'll do that for the big games. I will continue to do that. But I've eliminated red zeros. I used to do red zeros. I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm just going to highlight these zeros here with the blue around them. These will have 2 winning numbers. Okay? Now remember, we have a double play here too. Some states have a double play. But I know which ones are going to have 2 numbers or more winning numbers. So let's just go this real quick. 631. Okay, so here's a 0. Here's a 0. There's our 6. There's our 31. Another 6. Okay, we have another 6 down here at this 0. 31's here. 31's here. This 0 connects this 1. This 1 is connected at 3. That counts, and it's in the box. Okay, it's in the 0 box. Then we need 51, 54. Okay, there's a 54 here. 51 crosses over to this 0 here. That counts. 0 is connected to 5 and 1. 54 here. Okay, 54 here, 0 in the middle. Also have 54 here. 51 here. Another 51. Okay. And 55. I only see 155 right here. It happens that most times you're going to have just one number. It's going to screw you up. So I'm going to either one time. It's not going to be repetitive. And a 12. You need our 12, which is everywhere up here at 12. Okay, 12. Okay. And the other one, a 0 and a 2. One connects that 2 with the 0 here. Okay. And double play 22, 40, 42. 22. 42, 40, 40, 40, 42, another 40 over here, another 40, 42 here. Okay, 54, 68, 68's up here. 54 again, it's a repeat from the regular Powerball. 54 again here, 54, 54. Okay, 68's down here. Okay, now, let's look at the blue zeros here. Now, color these with a blue circle around them. Okay, telling you there's going to be 2 numbers here. Well, there are. 68's here, 6 is here, 31's here. 68 is here at this 0 here. Okay, your 12 is also here. This blue 0 here, then the 40, 40, 40. 3 40s are there, plus the 12, plus the 54. So I can only say there's going to be 2 numbers there. This one actually had the 54, the 40, and the 12. Okay. So it had 3 numbers. Actually, had the 40 there 3 times. 40, 40, 40. Okay. This one here had the 6 and the 40. This one here had 55. That's one number, 55. And what else? It had another number there. 31. Yeah, 31 backwards here. 13 backwards, 31. Okay. This 0 here, I said it's going to have 2 numbers or more. 55 is here, 54 is here, and 6 is here. 3 numbers actually here. Okay, and this is 51 here. You have 51, 68. 2 numbers are at this 0. So I will do that. I'll designate which zeros I believe are going to have 2 or more winning numbers. I used to make these red. I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm just going to give you black zeros and blue ones, and that's it. So that's how you play. Okay, guys? And I'll have an example. I have this up today yet, soon. Okay, for tonight, for 12:30 Powerball. I have one up already, but I want to give you guys 2. All right, see ya.